Okay, here is a side view of the ugliest part of my yard, and I am actually keeping the debris. So this debris is going to stay. I might uh tame it just a little bit, because like I said, it is the ugliest part of the yard. But I need a space to try to help the lizards survive in my yard, because we do have a large bird population. And but I need something for insect control, because I got a large grasshopper population that is always vibrant, because I like big green leafy plants, and I think grasshoppers like big leafy plants also. So since we like the same things, they tend to eat down a lot of the foliage. And I'm also patrolling for those green caterpillars, because they devour plants. So there is a few reasons for this ugly mess here, and I'm just trying it out. This be my first season where I am trying out a small ugly, or two patches of ugliness, to see if I can attract or keep my lizards safe, from our bird population. I don't even know if the birds really eat them, or whatever's chasing the lizards down. I needed to stop chasing the lizards down and let the lizards keep control of the insect population. Hopefully that's the hope of it. But if I see it is not working, the ugly is going away, and then I'm gonna use the yard waste for something else. And I was also hoping to just test to see if I can plant some seeds underneath and have something grow out of this mound of ugliness, so that way it won't be ugly all season long. So these hyacinths are spent, or the flowers are spent, so I am going to cut back that stem and then leave the foliage for just maybe 2 weeks, see if it wilts over. Hyacinths like the cold. They were smelling so delicious. It smells so good in my backyard, especially when the wind. I'm just dodging wasps, so I do apologize about the shaky recording. But this is another area I am going to try to tame some kind of way. I don't know what I am going to do here, but I am going to do something here. I did plant a couple of elephant corns, and I did put one of those mounding, the bearded tongue back here, and she's doing pretty well. The variegated liriope, I put that back here also, because that can take over a border. This was just wild a seed mix. It was wildflower seed mix, and I just sprinkled it down to see what it'll do, and this is what it did.